Hello everybody. So for some reason when I go live it doesn't show comments on here. So I've got my computer down here so I can see your guys' comments. So I'm just pulling it up to make sure I have it all pulled up. So first of all, I hope you're having a really good Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Second, I worked out all the kinks for this live with my team. So hopefully this one goes smooth because it didn't go smooth in the beginning. We always have incentives here in Cincy. We're always working to earn something. And thanks to you guys and thanks to my team, I earned the top level of our spring and summer incentive. And for doing that, I earned all 10 bars of the new scents, which we came live to yesterday. We smelled all of those new scents. And then I also earned warmers. And I got 5 brand new products. So as we show them in the VIP group, then I will go live with them that day or the next day with them so that you guys can see them real. So, I got 2 new minis. The one I'm super excited about. So, 2 new minis I want to show you guys. And then I have all of the colored bulbs in the minis. So you're going to get to see these 2 warmers, brand spanking new, the way that they come, and then you're going to see them with all the color bulbs. I was pro, and I grabbed an extension cord because where I'm at, I usually plug it in like in the wall, and then I have a cord, and I was like, I don't know what to do. Minis, I want to be able to show you guys the mini. So I grabbed the first extension cord, and it didn't have the little nub at the bottom. Like you have to have that little nub and it didn't have it. So I had to walk my team page out to my garage, get the right cord, but we're good to go today. First one we're going to do is, I got Why Are You Blushing? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's super elegant. It's kind of girly without being super girly. So you've got this like coppery rose gold colored cage and there is a gap. See, there is a gap between your cylinder and your cage. Then that's plastic. That's plastic. What I love about that is you could probably, I'm not going to, but you could probably essentially drop this and it's not going to break. All of our warmers are metal, ceramic, or glass. This is the first one that I'm like, ooh, like I imagine you can break it if you tried hard enough, but it's pretty darn tough. So plastic, this beautiful rose gold copper looking color. Bottom, it's a fixed dish. It does not come out because it looks like it could. It looks like one of our big warmers. It looks like you should be able to pop that out, but you can't. So now we're gonna look at it with all the colors. I love this warmer. It makes me want to redo my bathroom in all light copper. All right, we ready? So that's what it's going to look like with your clear bulb. The bulb that comes with it, however you want to put it, white bulb, clear bulb. Very, very pretty. You can see the filaments through the cage, through the cylinder. So this one's going to definitely light up your bathroom or your hallway or wherever you have it. It's definitely going to be a very pretty night light. So, got colored minis. I'm making sure I don't burn my hand. We got colored mini bulbs. We've got red, blue, green, orange, and purple. And they can be used in any of our mini warmers. So we are going to go through and look at them. First up is red. That's what this one looks like with a red one. You guys have seen me burn my hand, so. Next up is blue. Blue is our newest bulb. Bulb color. There's blue. I'm going to say blue and purple. As we all know, purple is a lot dimmer than the rest of the colors. The blue is probably like in between. It's not as dim as purple, but it is not nearly as bright as like the white, the red, the green, the yellow. It's not nearly as bright as those. But it's very pretty. Like my thought would be this would be a good one if you want light in the area, but you don't want it to be wake you up because some of our minis are really bright. So this would be a good one. Like I want a night light, but I don't want like it to keep me awake kind of thing. So blue is a little bit dimmer, still pretty, not nearly as dim as purple. Next up is green. So that's gonna be your green one. So it'd be an easy way to change them, to keep your same warmer, but change it for the holidays, like red for Valentine's Day, maybe Christmas, green and orange for Halloween, blue for winter, maybe for like ice. Orange for Halloween. But it's a way. It's a thought. All right, so this is orange. And you can get these with the you can buy the tabletop base separate. The colored bulbs work in the tabletop base, whole 9 yards. I personally love the tabletop bases. I think they are like an underutilized product. I love them. I have a mini on my nightstand with a tabletop base that I couldn't live without. I absolutely love it. This one's purple. So see, remember, we are in a very huge room and it is daylight outside. I know you can't tell. Let's see if we can do like a science experiment kind of thing. You can see that it's going to light up a room a little bit, but it is not super duper bright. That did work. I was wondering if that would work if I did that. So it's not overly bright. The purple isn't, it's more of a dimmer color, but for some people that works. Some people want it just for aesthetic purposes. Some people want them for night lights, whatever. Y'all do you, I don't care. But that's the purple. So that one is Why Are You Blushing? So pretty, so pretty. Okay. Trying to keep my life in order. If you could see the mess, I tell you guys that all the time, if you could see the mess that I have going on down here. All right, the next one that I got in my kit is the rose glitter rose gold, I think is the technical description. So this one is glass. Glass warmers are always heavier. They're thick. So this is your rose gold. I'm trying to get it. Don't focus on the rose gold. I'm not good at that. How do people do that? There we go. Very pretty. It is a bumpy texture. It is not smooth, but it feels secure. It does not feel like the glitter is going to come off. Now, with that being said, I have run my hand down this many, many times, and occasionally you do get a tiny, tiny little piece of glitter, but nothing to like flip out about or anything like that. And it's not like it's just going to fall off. Like I rubbed my hand down it. So this is going to be your glitter rose gold. Okay, this is with the clear bulb that comes with it. Ready? So I think it's more rose gold looking when it turns on. That's what I have is a nightstand. I have an older mini called You Are My Sunshine, and it's in my bedroom on my side of the nightstand. Sure, my bedroom is huge. I could have had a big warmer in there, but that one was meaningful. That was one I wanted, and it sits in a tabletop base right next to my bed. Now, I don't leave it on all night because Jeremy likes it pitch black, but it's in there, and that purple light would be a very, very, purple or blue would be a very dim color. It would be great. So red in our rose gold, glitter, rose gold, whatever you want to call it. Red. So that's going to be your red bulb. I love minis. I love the tabletop bases for minis. I think they're great. Blue. This one's kind of neat when it turns on. The mix of the blue and then the rose gold. Ready? So it kind of it looks blue here on the video, but in real life, it almost looks a little like turquoisey, a little aquamarine looking. It doesn't look blue like the Why Are You Blushing blue. I think the mix of that blue and the rose gold, it makes it like a little bit of an aquamarine looking color. The colored bulbs for your minis, they are for sale now, so we can add those to any order. I have all the colors, so anytime we get a mini, I will make sure I come on and show you guys. This one is green. That's going to be your green one. And remember, with clear dishes like this and the other one, whatever color your wax is also sort of changes the color because they're clear dishes. So they're going to have a tendency, like if you have blue wax in it and you have a red bulb in it, it's going to give it a little bit of a purple color. All right, we're going to do orange. Trying to make sure I'm catching up with everything and not drop everything. All right, so this is orange. Ready? Orange. So in the video, it looks orangey, sunsetty, pinky looking. In real life, it looks more orange, but I do love it. It does kind of remind me of a sunset. So that's orange. And the last one we have is purple. So remember, you can use color bulbs, the minis in any mini, tabletop base, it's fine. As long as it goes with the minis, you're good to go. Last one, purple. Remember, purple is dimmer. You can barely tell that it's on, but we're going to do our little science experiment since it worked. Kind of, sort of. It does it. It's not nearly as bright in this one as it was Why Are You Blushing, but you can tell that it is in there. So it is lighting it up. So that's without, and that's in, you know, the dark. So that's your purple bulb. Again, I think the purple is a great option. One, for color, and then two, for that I want a light, but I don't want a very bright light kind of look. So that's our two new, we have more than two, but those are the two mini warmers that I got in my kit. So I wanted to show you guys. Beautiful, beautiful warmers. This one is my favorite. I love it. It's so pretty. And it makes me want to redo my whole entire bathroom in like copper. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you need to place an order, let me know. Everything right now is still available. I say right now because Rona messes things up quite often. So just let me know. I have orders going in all the time. If you're interested in one of those minis for free, let me know and I can tell you how you can get one of those for free. But I think that's it. Oh, something else I wanted to tell you. So, okay, I have to think really hard because I have to think really hard. So, we have colored bulbs in our 15 watt, which is our mini, and then we have color bulbs in our 25 watt warmers. So that leaves out the Edison bulb warmers and it leaves out our 20 watt warmers. There's no colored bulbs for either of those. But in Scentsy, you can go down in wattage. So 20 watt bulb, you can put a 15 watt bulb in a 20 watt warmer for color and it will not void your warranty, but it won't melt your wax. So I know some of you have warmers that are just for decoration and you don't melt wax in them or anything like that. So if you wanted color in your 20 watt warmer, you would need to get a 15 watt bulb. If you want color in your Edison bulb warmer, which is a 40-watt bulb, you would use a 25-watt bulb. But again, it will not melt your wax. So don't get it thinking it's going to melt your wax. It won't, because it's just not enough power. You cannot go up. Like, you cannot put a 25-watt in a 20 because it will literally melt the inside, the guts of like the wiring and stuff, because it requires too much energy and the warmers are not built for that. So if you want color for your warmer and you're okay with it not melting wax, shout and I will help you figure out exactly what bulbs you need. But just the key is, remember, it will not melt. It never go up, but you can go down. But color bulbs are available in 25 and 20, and I think that's it. So if you have any questions, please shout at me. Like I said, if you want to know how to get one of these minis for free, let me know. We can chit chat. I don't bite, I promise. And I'm off to clean up this mess here. I gotta put all these bulbs back in and all the parts back in. So everybody have a good rest of your Wednesday, and I will see you guys later. Bye.